सुमित धीरे कर लो। Good morning, children.
Bonjour, ma'am.
Bonjour, bonjour. Okay. So, what are we going to do today?
Ma'am, we will start with Leçon 6.
Lesson 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Already started this chapter, beta. I think you were not there. We already have started. Have we not started? No, today we are supposed to do the exercises of chapter 5. What we are supposed to do? Exercises of 5th chapter. Open your book to page number 60. Now, what we have to do? Compléter avec le verbe avoir et le verbe être. Using these two verbs, we are supposed to do this exercise. Like suppose the first sentence, I'm doing it for you. Je dash Indian. That means I dash Indian. So what are we going to use? I have Indian or I am Indian?
Je suis.
Very nice. So in that case, we are going to write Je suis Indian. And the next line is Je dash 20 ans. Je dash 20 years. So for age, which verb are we supposed to use? Avoir or être? With age. I told you with age, we never use être verb. We are not going to say Je suis 20 ans. What will use? Age. J'ai 20 ans. Yes. So the first one I have done for you. Do all others and then we are going to discuss. I'm giving you 5 minutes to do this exercise. Those who have done will have to wait for others to finish.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, what is a combined class?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
Yes. Beta, can you not hear my
Ma'am,
yes?
what we are doing?
Yes, ma'am. What is the meaning of cahier?
Cahier means notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, ma'am, what we are doing? Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Size 3. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we have to write them in our notebook.
You have to do this exercise in the book itself.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what we are doing?
Children, wait, let me lock the meeting now so that no one else joins it. Okay. We are doing page number 61, exercise 3. From next time, you're going to join your class from 10:50 onwards. Your class is supposed to start at 10:50.
Ma'am,
Manraj and Atulya, beta, what is the time of your class? What time was it supposed to start? From next time, try to be punctual. Otherwise, I'm not going to let you in.
okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Done, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The first one, I just did it for you. Let's discuss the second one. Who dash professor. So, what will come with who? Ave or et?
Et.
Okay. Who's et professor? Who dash on leave? Who's Ave? You are a professor. You have a book. Very nice. Next.
आलू है हटा दिया तो वो अचार डाल दो बर्तन आते हैं ना सूखी चीज ज्यादा रखते हैं
Okay, next one. Sir dash de garçon.
Garçon.
Garçon de garçon. Il dash un ballon.
Il on.
Ils ont. So when we speak it together, we speak ils ont. Z sound in between. Then next, Sir dash une fleur. Sir dash une fleur. What is it?
C-E-S-T.
C'est une fleur and L dash une fleur.
Il a. Il
L A.
Il
Very good. L A.
Il a.
Then next one, tu dash étudiant.
Tu es.
Tu es étudiant. Tu dash des cahiers.
Tu es.
You are. Very nice. Very good. Next. Nous dash français.
Nous sommes.
Nous sommes français. Nous dash des livres.
Nous avons.
Nous savons des livres. Very good. Then, il dash anglais.
Il est.
Il est anglais. Sorry. Il dash quel âge?
Il a.
Il a quel âge? Very good. Then, elles dash petite.
Elles sont.
Elles sont petites. Elles dash des livres.
Elles ont.
Elles ont des livres.
Elles ont.
Okay. Now, for the next exercise, complétez selon l'exemple donné. Complete as given in the example or according to the example given. Il s'appelle Paul. Il a 12 ans. Il est petit. So in the similar way, children, you are supposed to fill these blanks with adjective, with age, with the verb avoir or être, whatever it is. So again, 5 minutes to do this exercise.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what will be in the seventh one? Il dash anglais.
Il est anglais. He is English. Il est anglais.
Ma'am, but there is also a question mark.
Better speak loudly.
Ma'am, there is also a question mark.
So it can be like if I ask you, you are French. It is a normal statement. But if I only change my tone, what will I ask? You are French. So that's just
Okay.
intonation.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of the third sentence in the example of fourth question?
Which one?
Ma'am, statement, what does it mean?
Third statement of which exercise?
Ma'am, fourth example.
Arsh, beta, tell me the page number. I'm seriously not getting what you are saying.
Ma'am, the exercise you told.
Exercise 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, exercise 4 and third example.
No, ma'am, the third statement of the example.
Il est petit. This one.
Yes, ma'am.
He is short. Il est petit means he is short. They have used one adjective. So similarly, you are supposed to use one adjective for each one.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
What are you doing?
What, beta?
What we are doing?
Guranshi, beta, have you joined the class right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, what is the time of the class?
Sorry, ma'am, this won't repeat again.
We are doing page number 61, exercise number 4. We have just finished doing exercise 3. Now we are doing exercise 4.
मैम व्हाट द सेकंड क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट मींस एले यहाँ पे जूली आता है
It means that two girls are there, Julie and Anne. We are.
It means they call themselves Julie and Annie.
ओके मैम थैंक यू
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am confused in every second statement of each part. Like
Okay,
in the example, it is given he, so I am writing he with in singular.
You are being confused in the age statement.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see beta. When we say age, when we tell age with these subject pronouns, they are used with what? They are used with avoir verb. Okay. Now in the first one that is given, so it's given L, right? So what we are going to use? Elle a 13 ans. That is, she is 13 years. In the second one, now they have plural subject pronouns, that is ELLES. Okay. So we are going to use elles on, elles on, ONT. Then later we have the third one, il dash these wheat on. So with il again we are going to use a. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Children done? Done, beta? Yes?
What will you write else or ma'am in fifth one of question number 4 else dash G dash.
Okay, so they have given you a hint of using this thing, using an adjective starting with letter G. So what we can use? Else, saw,
Grammar.
yes, grown, or maybe else saw gross. They are fat. Fat word also starts with letter G.
Yes, ma'am.
And we can also use this word, children. We have used this word in one of the chapters, gentil. So, elles sont gentilles. Done?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt, any confusion in this exercise?
No, ma'am.
Yes? Shall we move on to the next exercise? Or you want me to discuss this one?
Ma'am, another exercise.
What?
Ma'am, done one question.
Ma'am, next exercise.
Next exercise. Okay, perfect. Now, next exercise says meteo femina. So the question is very clear. We have to put it into feminine. Page number 62. Exercise number 5. Now, what is the feminine of the first sentence? Il est petit. Il est petit.
Il est petit.
No. Feminine. What is the feminine of il?
L.
L.
Ma'am, L.
Can we change this verb into feminine?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Name.
L is petit.
And the feminine form of petit would be?
We will add E.
Petite. In last, we will add E.
So we have changed these two words, and the sentence has been changed into feminine. Likewise, you have to change all others. Your time starts now.
Ma'am, what is written after elles sont?
Ils sont mince. Mince means thin.
Ma'am, done.
Everyone has done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The second sentence. Ils sont mens.
Else of men's. Else on men's.
Mens. And this word already has E in the end and it was in its plural form. So this is going to remain the same. Yes?
Yes.
What will
Yes.
change? We can just change ILS into ELLES. That is it. Then, il est grand. Now, il est grand.
L is grand.
L est grand. The next one. Il est joli.
L is jolie. L is jolie.
Elle est jolie.
Perfect. Then, the last one. Ils sont intelligents.
Elles sont intelligentes.
Elles sont.
Intelligent. And don't forget to put E first in the end. First, we are going to put E and then we'll change it into plural. Got that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm confused in the first.
Now, the sixth exercise, mete au plural. Start doing mete au plural.
Ma'am, I'm confused.
You have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice.
Ma'am, I have done.
Let's wait for others to do it.
I'm confused in the first and second part.
I'm done. Ma'am, done.
Okay, when we change these kind of sentences from singular to plural, we always change the verb also into plural. While in the previous exercise, how it was going? We were not changing the verb. Why? Because we were just changing the gender of the sentence. Yes, but here when we change the number, we need to change the verb also in between. So, coming up with the first example, j'ai un crayon. What is je? I.
Nous.
What is the plural of I? We.
Nous.
Then, what is the plural of AI?
Avons.
Avons. Very good. Nous avons. Now, un crayon.
This. The.
They.
Un
Crayon.
crayon. Very good. So, it becomes un changes to they and crayon changes with S in the end. So do you see here when a sentence is being changed into plural, almost all the words get changed into plural. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now, for the second one, tu as une gomme.
Who are they?
Whose are this?
Very,
Avez.
very nice. Vous avez des gommes. Perfect. Then the next one.
Ils sont petits.
Ils sont petits.
Petits.
P-I-T-I-T. Yes. Then elle est jolie.
Elles sont jolies.
Elles sont
Jolie.
jolies. C'est une gomme.
C'est des
Gone.
Ce sont. C'est une gomme
ma'am.
because
Ce sont des
des gommes. Ce sont des gommes. Clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming on to the next two exercises, exercise 7 and 8, they are to be skipped. We are not doing this exercise. Okay. Directly coming on to the 9th exercise. Now, ninth exercise, I have always told you when we do chase the odd one out, what are the bases or what are the factors because of which we choose the odd one out? It can be gender, it can be number, it can be category, or it can be any fourth thing. So let's see. The first one, Jolie Bell movie led. What do you think is the odd one out? All adjectives are given. Now the category is all are adjectives. So we can't chase any odd one out because of the category. Let's look at the number. If one is plural, other are singular, or one is singular, other are plural. It is not that also. Now let's come on. Yes,
movie.
it is.
Movies.
Very nice. Very good. Why it is movie? Tell me. Why it is movie?
Because others are telling about the looks of a person.
No, this is also telling about the look. Such a bad look.
But because it is masculine and others are
Very
feminine.
nice. Very nice. It is the only one that is masculine gender, while all other three are feminine gender. Good. Now, what is in the second example? What is the odd one out?
It's views because it is singular and everyone are and others are plural.
Which is the word beta? Which is singular?
Pukes, handsome.
No.
I'm gross.
Yes. Both. This is singular. If we add X, it becomes plural. This is plural word. This is not singular. Yes. It is gross that is given in its singular form. While rest other are all plural.
Plural.
Then the third one.
नहीं.
Mute yourself. Chocolat, gato, monto, bonbon. What is the monto in between? Now it will be chased as category wise. Now all are eatable, while monto is a wearable item. It is a long coat worn in winter. Then medicine, engineer, professor. What is the odd one out? Why all other are professions given.
Professionals.
Then through sky chemise gone. Again.
And what is home?
Gom.
No, not gone. It's chemise. What is chemise? Chemise in French is a shirt. All are what? Stationary items, while this is a cloth given in between.
What is the meaning of home? HMME.
Beta, Om is a man, while all other given are professions. Okay, done. Coming on to the 10th exercise now. Now you have to introduce these people, like your mother. Your mother, Elsa Pell, you will say she calls herself and you will tell her name. Then you are going to tell her age, LR, whatever her age is, LR dash years. Then next, you're going to tell how she is. You're going to use any one adjective for her. You have to use 3 lines like we have done in exercise number 4. Do it. And you can directly do it in your copy. Start doing it now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is written at the sixth ray?
Which one? What?
Ma'am, exercise number 10, second.
Votre père. Votre means your. Votre mère, votre père, votre sœur, and votre frère. Sir is
Yes.
sister and frère is brother. Votre stand for your.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of the third part?
Votre sœur.
Ma'am, what is
So SOEUR means sister. You have to introduce your sister.
Ma'am, what you have to write if one has no sister?
What beta?
Ma'am, what you have to write
Oh, yeah.
if one has no sister? If you have no sister.
If you don't have a sister, you can tell about your friend.
Okay, ma'am.